Fancy having a go at this ultra cool illusion cake? Looks interesting, doesn't it? Come on, let's bring out the artist in you. Chocolate inside, you know. So we start with our basic chocolate cake, bought from the store or pre-made. A couple of layers of that with some buttercream icing in between and around the outside. Once that's smoothed over, we can start to decorate with piping on our pink Ombre Buttercream icing. As you can see, we've got varying shades from bright pink to pale pink to white at the top. We just splodge it on vertically in varying shades as we go around the cake. And then use a wide flat knife or spatula to just swipe the end each time before adding the next row. Do the same on the top of the cake, going from white around the edge and going darker and darker pink towards the middle. And there you have it. Little bit of patience required, but it's pretty easy, don't you think? And look at that, it looks amazing. And the best surprise of all is the fact that it is chocolate inside. Enjoy!